My name is Sima Bisen. I am from Maharashtra. I have done my Bachelor of Science and Diploma in Pharmacy. I like to play badminton. My hobbies are reading book and writing. That's it about me. Thank
Nice.
you.
That's
Could you introduce yourself?
most definitely. My name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am YouTuber and housewife. As for my education is concerned, I have completed MCom. So that's it about me. I have a little intro. That's it. Okay.
So,
So
ma'am, could we talk on particular topic?
yeah, of course, definitely. I'm already interested to talk with, particular topic because when you use as a particular topic for enhancing your spoken English, so that definitely you will be improved. Right now I am very exhausted, of taking the lots of videos, of taking the lots of conversations. Actually, right now I'm very tired, So that's why I decided no, I should speak, speak with that topic. So that's why I will be perfect, you know.
Yeah, right. So my topic is what was the advantage and disadvantage of quarantine, corona
Corona time.
situation? Yeah.
Corona
What
time.
is the
Okay.
benefit?
Yeah. Benefit, I think according to me, everything has a two sides, positive and negative.
Yes.
But Corona has been very harmful for every person.
Yeah.
So every person that times was died by corona.
Yes.
And some people destroyed house, home, by corona because of their family members was died by corona.
Yeah.
I think it has been good as a corona for some people, but on the contrary, and another second hand, some people has been very harmful, you know
Right.
as, for some people. So actually, according to me, as far as I know, according to me, I have started my spoken English during the corona time. you know I started, so that's how it has been good for me.
This is the benefit for you.
Yes, benefit. But that time, every people's connected, collected in the house, gathered in the house. Because when before coming the corona, they was busy at their life,
Yes.
don't talk with their family members, don't talk with their friends. But in the corona, every person's gathered, in
Yeah.
their house. So I think in the short, I would like to tell you only one thing. For some things, Corona has had been good, and another things, Corona had been, very harmful. Which was diet, which was lost their life.
Right. Right. Yeah. According to me, on first stage of Corona, and Modi ji give introductions to the all people. You can stay home, don't go anywhere, and he take quarantine curfew. So that time people facing lots of problem. So many people are go to the another city for earning money, and suddenly curfew happened, and they was not going to their place, native place. And whenever we stay in rent room, so they have no more money and food, rice, you know it is not a particular vegetable and anything. So how they survive in their home? They was facing lots of problem, and they decided to when curfew is removed and they want to go for their native place. So that time any buses is not available, train is also stopped, so they go by walking. So they are facing lots of problem, and some people are die, and they thirsty, they hungry, they was
Yeah.
facing lots of issue because they some family have little child. So it is very sad situation that time. And second thing is whenever in a one family, one person who earn money and who feed their own family, but he's that time he was not earn money, so how they survive their home? Some people are hungry, they have no food, it's difficult for eat food. And
Yeah.
some people family is also not find it where their family member, so it's
Yes.
happened. That is also occurs, financially we are not able. It's a very bad situation, but in that time we decided to earn money, we take education. If we take education, so we can do anything for earning. So that time people are in their people minds, if we take a good education, for government job people they are earn money and their salary was not stopped, but private sector people their salary was stopped. So
Yeah.
people also doing study, students also go for study, it's a beneficial for them. And also online classes available that time. So any student connect to the any city's teacher, they have lots of if we want to take any classes, so we can take online. And I am talking to you by online, but before quarantine we this system is not available, we are not talking by audio call, video call, audio call, but now available, so it's a beneficial. What's your
Okay.
thinking?
Yeah, because this techniques was have been learned during the Corona time.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, before coming Corona, I didn't know. I didn't have any idea how to, talk with different peoples on these applications. During the Corona times, I have learned lots of things, lots of things. Because actually, I watched lots of video, that times every person's, even children, are was learning the things at the home, at their home,
Yes.
because of. So actually, yesterday that times I watched some reality show. So that reality shows, one I think one girls came in the reality show. So that times she told to judges, because I am learning dancing, through the YouTube. And he dances very well, and he has, I think, learned within 3 months, only because of YouTube. And
Yeah,
so that
so
time,
many video available.
yeah, you can't go anywhere. Even I started I started using the mobile phone, during the Corona times. How did I used as a mobile at my home? So because when I started my journey during the Corona time, so that time nobody had with me, with the help of I can have more much practice. So that time I asked every person. So that time, nobody helped me. It's okay. But during the Corona times, I searched lots of video, and then I started learning the grammar portions. So after that, I realized, no, I have to speak. I have to speak. So then I started learning, I started searching new applications. I have heard about some application you can have the practice with the applications. So then I started, and as soon as I downloaded, how I started. So, by God grace, I had this channel, this application as a Skype channel, for improving English. So this times I'm getting improved. I'm not telling to you because that time, I was perfect that I was be perfect that time in the during Corona time. No, to be honest, no, because that time I couldn't speak only, I couldn't speak single words, not a single, but I can express my feeling, my feeling in English. But this times I can express. So I
Yes.
so had been me.
Yeah. I was also start my speaking journey and learn English during Corona time. I watch Dev Spoken English class. This is the YouTube channel, and that channel that's Dev sir teach well grammar. Grammatical portion is correct. So I follow that sir, and I follow all grammar how to they teach, and I speak whenever he teach any grammatical portion. I make sentences and I write down that work I did, and I learned by Dev sir.
Okay, nice. Actually, I started learning through I think Chandan sir.
Yeah. I also was.
Started by Chandan sir as a with the help of YouTube. Even Chandan sir is very good tutor to learn
Yeah,
English.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was watching for video rapid revision by Chandan
Yeah.
sir.
Rapid fire is very good. Session. I think session as a serial, not a serial. Yeah. So that time because I have consumed lots of things by session.
Yeah. And some
So
video also uploaded Chandan sir. It was good for
um,
learner.
yes, exactly. And his style, his style is very good to enhance our spoken English, how to express in English.
Yeah,
Everything's, he tried to learn very well. He
right.
tried to, yeah, learns very well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So please let me know how do you manage that time to enhance your spoken English?
Okay. Um, I have no more work, so I have lots of time for learning. But I'm not focusing only one language. I will have to do study also. So yeah, in the morning time, my 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, I am busy for my work. After that, I get fresh, and then I do study for 10 to 10 12 o'clock. During this time, for 1 hour, I give for the spoken English. Um, that's it. 1 to 2 hours for spoken English.
Okay, nice. That's good. Actually, right now, I don't come to know how to manage the time, because because I am learning through I'm learning English while watching English
Mhm.
content. So that time I consume every aspects in English. So after that I try to use in my conversation. But right now I'm not able to watch more.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I put the question in front of you. Please let me know how do you manage the time? Because I'm facing kind of this problem right now as well. As well I have because I have right now many problems. I'm facing. You know,
Yeah.
Simultaneously I am facing as a first one vocabulary, because I have a lack of vocabulary. I can't more much express my feeling. But some YouTubers say something like this, ma'am, you speaks very well, you can express very well, but you don't have any more much vocabulary. When you use as a simple vocabulary in your conversation, you are not a professional speaker at English. So actually, I agree the way I speak, very simple.
Don't mind. It's not important to speak advanced vocabulary. You can speak. You are able to speak. It is a good thing, and you learn by YouTube. You are not taking any classes and anything, and you are learned by Chandan sir. So you are improved very well. So you have no need to take any stress. I am not learned. You are learned very well. So you also watch conversation videos, so you can find vocabulary, and if that vocabulary get in your mind, so you can also speak.
Yeah,
Can,
because
yeah.
this is a very big issue for me. Actually, I learned lots of vocabulary, in a one day, in a whole day.
But all
And
is one happen.
come to in my conversation, so that time I can't explain. Can't
Yeah,
explain.
yeah.
Mind doesn't work. How?
Yeah, all speaker happen that problem. If anyone asks about what is the meaning of that vocab, so we can say easily what is the meaning that vocabulary. But while speaking, we forget that vocab. In that sentences, we can use that vocabulary. It's happened because we are not speaking in all day English. Otherwise, it's happened. It came that vocab.
Because have you taken any classes with the help of Yari, Clampingo?
No, no. I didn't take any classes, but I watched a video.
Yes. Actually, yeah, I am watching Clampingo and Yaria's video, because that tutors gives the topic,
Yes, yes.
persons who are connecting.
Sure.
So actually, top because when you talk with the help of topic, so that time your speaking as well, your vocabulary will be increased.
Yes,
Otherwise,
right.
you can speak in your general questions. You are asking the question. I reply. I am reply. So I am
Yes,
asking reply. I think this is a very a common techniques to enhance our spoken English. If you are, because as far as I know, as for my experience, I'm
yeah,
going to tell you about my experience. Because when you use as a rapid fire and a telling story, and another thing, you can pick up some topic for speaking English, so definitely your conscious mind start working.
yeah.
Okay.
So, ma'am, could we stop our conversation?
Yeah, of course, definitely. So I think
Nice
time is.
talking. Yeah, right.
Are,
Okay, bye.
are you YouTuber?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.